it's the number one thing, the easiest thing you can do to slim down. So whatever you're eating, it doesn't matter. Just add fiber. If you add fiber to what you're eating right now, it's going to make a huge difference. It's pretty simple, right? I know that we have tried all these fad diets and all these different types with all these rules, but when you add fiber, you don't have to worry about all the rules. How you can do this is just adding plant-based foods to what you're already eating. Even if you're eating any kind of animal products, if you add more plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and even some seeds, you can make veggie soups. This is very easy to do, and it is great for losing weight and slimming down. Instead of maybe the white rice, which can be okay, maybe it's changing from white rice to brown rice, something simple like that, or changing from regular pasta to whole grain pasta. I do that, and I'm finding that it's really helping me out. And really, if you don't add a lot of additives to it, such as oil, it's going to make a huge difference in losing the weight. Make it easier for yourself when you're cooking at home. You know you need to cook at home at least 9 out of 10 times, 6 out of the 7 days, say. That would be great if you can do that, because I know that there's a lot of energy it takes to prepare plant-based foods, but you can buy a lot of store-cut products already, such as cut onions, cut celery, cut carrots, things like that are already ready to go. Or you can also have frozen vegetables. They're just as good as having fresh. I know how it is when I have plant-based foods, produce in my refrigerator, and they may spoil because it's mainly me eating all this fresh food. Sometimes I can't get people to eat the rest, and I have to either buy in small quantities, maybe every couple of days, or I buy ready store made, such as frozen vegetables, frozen fruits, and then you can just pull it out and toss it in a pot, either boil it or roast it, and it tastes just as good. Frozen is not always bad than having fresh. So frozen can be better, actually, because you are stopping and slowing down the aging process while it's in your freezer. So why do I say that fiber is so great for us? You don't have to memorize anything, as mentioned, and you just add in the fiber to the dishes that you're already eating right now. Fiber is great for gut health. It definitely will help you digest your food better. It will help with taking down the bloating, and you just have to give that a little bit of time. The fiber will pass through your digestive system pretty easy, and it binds to the other calories of food, and then you're not absorbing so many calories. Get it? So for me, no calorie counting. Also, what I've read from eatingwell.com and then the American Heart Association, they do say that fiber foods stabilizes the heart and the blood, meaning by stabilizing blood sugar. And so that will go on to heart conditions if you don't do that. So like diabetes. Also, what I'm very excited about is that it attacks the LDL cholesterol, so it decreases it, which is the bad cholesterol, right? And it helps increase the HDL cholesterol, which is what I'm shooting for. So it's pretty simple as that. Fiber helps for you to lose weight, it helps with the gut health, and it protects the heart, which will help the cholesterol. So try it. What do you have to lose? So please leave a comment or a question for me if you want me to address it in the next upcoming videos of this mini series. I appreciate it, guys, and always keep searching for the perfect bite and balance. Cheers.